smell your toothbrush. Good boy. Okay, you want to taste your toothpaste? Taste your toothpaste. No, you don't want to. Okay. Well, let's show everybody at home how you brush your pet's tooth. Let them smell it and brush. And let it breathe and brush. Oh, I know you don't like it. And brush. He's pushing you away. Okay, alright, let's stop. We'll take a break. Here's your treat.
Oh, what's it mean when the light's flashing?
You did well, good. I think it means it's recording.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, no brush back there. Oh, good boy. Breathe. Okay, I know. Take it this way. Okay, another little piece of treat. Because you're a good boy. Good. Okay, ready? I know. It's coming. Yeah. Oh, what a good boy. Get your bottom teeth. Let me see those bottom teeth. Let me see them.
He's being pretty good for you.
Yeah. Oh, you know why? Because he gets a treat.
Oh.
You love it. He'd do anything for a treat. Look at that face. He's pissed. Okay, one more. We'll get that back too. Oh, yeah, that feels good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, tell Grandma.
Okay, good boy, Lincoln. Good boy.
Ready, set. Good boy. That's a good boy.
Okay.